Are you a first-time landlord looking to self-manage your rental property? Here's the ultimate guide to help you succeed. First things first, set clear expectations with your tenants. Make sure they understand the rules, regulations, and responsibilities that come with renting your property. Next, stay on top of maintenance and repairs. Regularly inspect the property and address any issues promptly to keep your tenants happy and your property in good condition. Don't forget about collecting rent. Set up a system for collecting payments on time and follow up with tenants who are late. Consistency is key when it comes to rent collection. Communication is crucial. Be available to your tenants for any questions or concerns they may have. Building a good relationship with your tenants can lead to a smoother renting experience. Lastly, familiarize yourself with landlord-tenant laws in your area. Knowing your rights and responsibilities will help you navigate any legal issues that may arise. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to successfully self-managing your first rental property. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and advice.